Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we have checked how to insert the data on our MongoDB database. That's a NoSQL database. If you have not checked that, you have to must check my last video. So in this video we will learn how to get the data and how to show in our HBS that's called handlebar, correct, which we are using of the Express. As on the previous video we are using Express Handlebars. If you have not checked how to use that, I already made the video. You have to just check this video as well, because this is a complete course of the Node.js. So now come to here on the routes. Whenever we will go in the index.js and the router, so here you have to just define one items, and in that you have to just pass one name, and that's called one, and email, that's called xyz@gmail.com, correct. So you have to go in the name. Here you have to change name, and here this dot email, here it is email, yes, name and email. So you have to just reload that and go to your application, see one and the xyz@gmail.com. so it will throw here. So you have to just do it here, and we will change this const, correct, and here we will define our list like that. And whenever you have to pass this router dot get error, it's throwing some error, cannot reduce. I think it will check make some time. Yeah, it's not throwing any error. So whenever you will check, it's working, correct. We have a name and email. So here we will do one more thing. We'll pass this and make it here. So here we will do and push the data in that case as well. List dot push, that's called name and email age. So whenever you will insert the data, it will show in your list. I'll show you this thing how it will work. So again, reload, email, this one, name Ashish, age we are not using, but still, and doing the sign up. See, it will come here, data inserted successfully, and it will show you in the list by the unordered list. So in the next thank you for this lecture. We'll meet you in the next lecture.